Alright guys, what is up? I'm having a little bit of a bad hair day, but I just wanted to jump on and kind of share with you a new update that I've been testing, and I wanted to kind of take you through this journey of specifically Instagram, and we'll jump in a second here, but show you how we can grow our Instagram. And I'm testing it myself, so I literally don't know anything about this. It's new for me, but I've met a couple people who, showed me the ropes, and I'm trying it. So let me kind of jump into my screen here, open this up on my phone, and let me make this a little bigger. How do I do that? Come on. All right, there we go. So as you can see, 7,514 followers. 204 posts. We have a couple posts here if you guys want to follow us just to keep track. We're getting some likes, 118, 96, 287. That one was particularly good. And I'm just going to try to grow this thing. I haven't been posting on it a lot. I haven't been focusing. I haven't had time to. But, you guys can follow our journey and see what it is exactly that I'm doing to grow this account. And then if you guys want to follow it along with Social Blade, which is kind of a verification website that shows you exactly, what the amount of followers that we have today, and it's saying 7,519, but it takes some time for it to get the correct numbers, and obviously it's off by a few with the pictures uploaded as well. So you guys can follow along here. This is going to be an accurate description of how many followers we're getting or losing, and how many views and all that stuff. So I'm going to try it out. If it works, my goal is to get this up to at least 10,000 in a couple months, and then scale it out to 100,000 so that we can get a bigger reach and a wider audience, so that we could really reach people on Instagram. I think Instagram is a great tool to just get exposure and views on content, and then from there you can, you have one opportunity here to take them to your funnel, your page, your YouTube, wherever it is that is the next step of the funnel or sales process, right? As you know with our previous videos, or if we've put out the content on funnel hacking and funnel marketing, this is the top of the funnel. This is where we're giving out the free information, and it's getting exposure like no tomorrow. So hopefully this works. I encourage you guys to follow along on this journey, and feel free to follow us on Instagram and see exactly what it is that we're posting, when we're posting it, what we're doing. I'm trying to make this as transparent as possible so that you guys can learn from it, and if it works, so that you guys can implement it and again boost your business. So again, this is a value bomb. Not a lot of people are gonna just open their phone screen and show you exactly what they're doing, but you guys can follow us on this journey and see exactly step by step what it is that we're doing, so that you can imitate it as well and do it for your business. So I hope you enjoyed this. It was a short one, but follow along with this journey. It's going to be at least a year that we're going to be narrowing down and focusing on this. So yeah, let me know if you have questions. Please comment below if you have any questions on this video, or feel free to direct message me on Instagram, and I'll get back to you there. All the best.